condominium beside SM Sukat, within walking distance. Non-vetable unit available starting at 16,000 pesos per month, with a 5% down payment to avail of an additional discount. Complete set of amenities included, 1-bedroom unit available, and we also have 2-bedroom units with flexible payment terms. Take a look at our dressed-up 1-bedroom unit.
Good news sa mga upcoming client namin na naghahanap ng mga non-battable unit. We still have available units na makakasave kayo ng 12%. Sa Tower 9 and 10, malapit lang din siya sa entrance ng Field Residences. Ang unit layout dito ay 1-bedroom. Ito nga pala yung aming dress-up unit to give you an idea after turnover. By the way guys, this is Eds Langkay from SMDC. I've been working here since 2013. We can set a Zoom presentation anytime. By the way, this is perpetual ownership, meaning lifetime ownership, may papamana mo pa siya sa next generation. Open din siya for Airbnb business. So, pwede mo rin siyang pagkakitaan na parang hotel concept. Sabi nga nila, location, location, location. Ito ang pangunahing rule ng real estate pag naghanap ka ng property. Field Residences, napakalapit lang nito sa NAIA Terminal 1. Kaya perfect ito para sa mga madalas bumiyahe, OFW, o kahit sino na kailangan ng mabilisang access sa airport. At dahil nasa sentro ito, malapit ka rin sa mga pangunahing lungsod at lahat ng kailangan mo ay within reach lang. Like SM Mall, walking distance lang din. Location-wise, everything you need is within reach. Ideal for rental investment like hotel concept. For the price, it's non-battable. It's the best deal for the client na gustong magkaroon ng property na di kamahalan. At napakalapit lang sa major cities. We offer flexible payment term na pwede nating pag-usapan. This property is owned by SM. You are in the good company background, kaya safe ang investment mo dito. Gusto mong kumain sa restaurant, mag-shopping, lalakarin mo lang. Hindi ka na matatraffic. With one-stop shop, everything you need is within reach. May banks, may supermarket, restaurant, coffee shop, salon, boutique, at marami pang iba. Malapit rin ito sa mga sakayan. Merong bus, jeepney, UB Express, Grab, taxi, 24 hours. Secured din ang area. Merong mga security guard. Malapit din ito sa mga schools kagaya ng PATS College of Aeronautics, Olivares College, and Eurocampus School. Sa hospitals naman, ang malapit dito is Olivares Hospital, Our Lady of Peace Hospital, Parañaque Community Hospital, and Las Piñas Doctors. Malapit din ito sa mga church. As you can see naman, napakalawak ng open field dito sa Field Residences. Kung health enthusiast ka, mai-enjoy mo talaga dito. Pwede kang mag-jogging. Meron kaming basketball court, gym, volleyball court, kids play area for your kids, Olympic size swimming pool for adult, and kids swimming pool na talagang mai-enjoy ng family, friends, and future tenants. Open rin siya for Airbnb business, mapa long term man yan or staycation. Malapit rin ito sa airport, in just 10 minutes away. Makakapili ka pa ng unit na gusto mo. We have 2-bedroom unit with balcony sa Tower 6 with flexible payment term na pagpipilian. And we offer rent-to-own promo. Once na-reach mo na yung 2 months monthly amortization at nakapag-down payment ka na, you will be eligible for turnover. Reason to invest in. Meron kaming rent-to-own promo, meaning hindi ka pa fully paid, pwede mo nang matirhan yung property for as low as 5% down payment, and meron ka pang 2 years to pay na 0 interest kay developer. Hindi ka pa agad magbabank financing. Lifetime ownership na rin siya, meaning maipapamana mo pa siya sa next generation. We have complete set of amenities na nakikita nyo. May enjoy ito ng mga upcoming unit owners, tenants, and friends. Open din siya for Airbnb business na parang hotel concept. Pwede mong pagkakitaan yung unit mo. 7.8 hectare development itong Field Residences with mid-rise building. Hindi siya ganun kataas. Ang ganda nga nung open field nitong project na ito is isa ito sa pinaka gusto kong ibenta sa SMDC kasi pang personal use talaga yung ambience din dito na mai-enjoy ng mga future unit owner at mga nakatira na dito sa field residences. Maaliwalas siya, malinis yung hangin at hindi pa siya crowded. Meron ka pang open view dito sa field residences na mapipil mo talaga yung province na vibes na hindi stressful yung ambience. Maganda rin dito talaga sa field residences. Ngayon, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung sample model units namin dito sa field residences for 2-bedroom units. Great day everyone! Ipapasilip ko naman sa inyo yung showroom namin dito sa field residences. This unit is 2-bedroom with balcony. This is the kitchen. Meron siyang lower cabinet. Ang ganda ng unit layout dito sa Tower 6 ng field residences. Ito yung isa sa paborito kong ibenta, field residences. Tower 6, 2-bedroom unit. And dadagdagan nyo na lang dito ng upper side cabinet. And ito naman yung toilet area. Ayan. Maluwang yung toilet dito. Kasya din yung tablet washing machine. Ayan. Pwede rin lagyan dito ng shower enclosure. Kasama na itong shower natin. Lalagyan mo na lang ng water heater. Ayan. Let's proceed na dito sa living area. This is the living area. Marami ka pang pwedeng ilagay dito para ma-maximize yung space. And this is the view na basic amenity sa balcony. Dito naman nilalagay yung split type aircon. Dito naman yung ating living area. And let's proceed na sa master bedroom. Yan, meron siya dito bintana, facing amenity, and dito naman kasya yung window type aircon. Ayan. At ipapakita mo naman sa inyo yung bedroom 2. This is the bedroom 2 na siya. Ayan. Yung lamig, lagyan nyo na lang dito ng fan light, yung mayroong electric fan, humihigop ng lamig. So, ito. And papakita ko naman sa inyo yung dress-up unit. This is the dress-up unit. Kitchen area. Ayan. Nilagyan na rin siya ng upper side cabinet. And ipapakita mo naman sa inyo yung toilet. Ang ganda ng design, diba? This is the living area. Tignan nyo yung bedroom. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa. Double size bed. Ang ganda. Tapos dito kasya pa yung cabinet. Ilagyan din siya ng wallpaper. Ano? Tignan nyo naman yung master bedroom. Ito yung master bedroom. Cabinet. And this is single bed. Pero hanggang double size bed kasya dito. And this is the window. And yung ating window type aircon. And ito naman yung ating living area. Really tiny. Pwede namang iba yung decoration na ilalagay mo. This one lang to give you an idea of the room. And this is the balcony. If you want to avail a unit here in field residences, contact me here in my Viber or WhatsApp. Again guys, this is Ed's Realty Guide PH. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And see you from the next vlog.